Wine is always good. I'm Joan.
Cheers, Harry. What are we doing today there, sweetheart?
We're coming to you in this video from Koh Samui, Thailand. In this video called How Simple Curiosity Can Be Healthy for You. We will tour a resort, walk the beach, and show you how every day we're searching for something. Unforgettable journey.
Like curiosity killed the cat in most cases, but in our case, curiosity to check to see what's behind that door, behind that gate, keeps us fit
yeah,
and going, right?
absolutely.
So curiosity can help you. And do your search, do research, it's lots of fun.
Yeah, we're having a blast. We will cover 5 items in this video. Number 1, we're going to tour Anantara Resort on Bophut Beach. Number 2, we'll have a Bloody Mary at the pool bar and watch our bartender demonstrate how to make a Bloody Mary.
They were good,
They were good.
but not the best.
3, we'll have a pedicure and a manicure at Madame Doom.
Even I had one.
That's
It's very good.
Number 4, we'll have a 20-point medical checkup at a hospital, and how much does it cost?
Exactly, stay tuned.
Number 5, we will rank and rate who makes the best Bloody Mary on the island.
We had 4 of them, and we think we're pretty good at checking what they are all about.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Ciao.
Ciao.
Cheers, Johnny. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah,
We are entering Anantara Resort.
I wonder which way do we go? I have no idea. This way. I guess this looks like
Try anything.
this looks like the right place.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh, thank you, series.
Our restaurant we open at 12 o'clock for the lunch.
Okay.
Yes, and for another one we have the bar, but we have to serve like some snack at the bar.
Okay.
Yes, and the
Here we are. Lady showing Joan where the bar is. And we're here at Anantara. Looks very cool.
Oh, it's definitely worth the trip. Absolutely lovely, lovely spot.
But the thing is, nothing's open except the bar.
The we just missed the breakfast, but they were fully booked.
Yeah.
And the lunch menu, Japanese and South American fusion,
Right.
is open at 12 o'clock. So that means we have to sit at the bar and maybe have a cocktail or something.
Well, we can't drink till that long.
You can't drink?
Yeah, we can, but not for 3 hours.
No.
Well, Jonas, we could sit here all day and drink if we wanted to.
No, she's gonna give us.
This place is fully booked.
Yes, it's fully booked this week and this month,
Wow.
and this is February.
Well, Johnny, you want to go check out the massage after this? And then,
I'm going to check out the spa and the massage,
right,
and then see.
so we booked a pedicure and manicure.
We're gonna
And
go
Thursday to the hospital for
Thursday for the medical check. Okay, there it is. It's called the Watanapat Hospital, Samui.
Checked in?
Yes, they're starting to check us in.
Oh, good.
Hospital.
20-point checkup for like 164 Canadian dollars.
Yes,
Is that amazing or
that's
what?
incredible. And now we're checking out this spa
Yeah.
for massage. And I want to get my hair
Yes.
treated.
And it's time. Oh yeah, you want.
Spicy for Bloody Mary?
Yes. Spicy?
Sure.
Spicy or not spicy?
Not medium.
Medium spicy.
And lots of alcohol. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Oh, he gave
There
us
you
extra.
go. Cheers. Okay, now,
Okay,
where do we rate them? How do we rate them?
we rated them 4 Bloody Marys, ranked and rated. Number 4 to 1. The Santiburi Golf Course on Koh Samui.
There's only one golf course on Samui. It's very nice. And then Bloody Mary was good, but not as good as the other 3.
Right, they're number 4.
Right. Anderson, if you come here next year and read up, Joan and me are going to go golfing. 'Cause this,
Maybe.
yeah, we will.
Yeah, of course.
Beautiful vistas. The course looks in good shape too. What do you think? Wow. Now we're gonna go grab a drink over here. Well, Joni, another margarita.
Another Bloody Mary.
I mean, sorry, another Bloody Mary. Wow. But we have to put heat in it if you want.
We
So
need
they
some of
put,
this.
yeah, they put the heat on the side. So, okay, so now we'll put some heat on. Ciao.
Number 3.
Oh yeah.
Singapore Air business class at 35,000 feet, I think,
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
Yeah.
In the air on New Year's Eve.
Yes. He wakes me up and he says, it looks like you could use a Bloody Mary. I said, yeah, right. Yeah, exactly, you're right. Bring Joan one too. So we did. That was good, yes.
Okay, number 2. The Anantara Pool and beach bar in Bophut on Bophut Beach.
Also very good.
Very good.
Cheers. No, this is a Bloody Mary. Bill, the best one was, where were we the other day?
Hi.
At where?
Hi.
Oh, yeah. But this is very
This
good.
is really good.
But the best one?
Number 1, wait for it, at Pi Beach Club at Cape Fawn on the northern tip of the island.
Oh, it is so good. If you ever get a chance to go there, take it and order a Bloody Mary. They are so. They have
really
a shrimp on top. They have
Yeah,
that's like, almost like a Happy Meal.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this Bloody Mary is good.
Is it as good as the one on the Singapore Air
Well, this one's better.
on New Year's Eve?
So this one is better. But this is Oratio hot. I'm talking hot. Hot.
Are you ready?
Yeah, Joan is going to try it.
I'm tasting Harry's Bloody Mary.
I'm telling you, that thing is hot.
Wow!
We don't do too many selfies, but Joan is saying, she says to me, cocktails, most of the time they're really fun.
I said, cocktails are fun.
And
then you said,
they're always fun. No matter what.
yeah. Cheers, guys.
Oh, cheers. Oh, that's
Thai we say tom yum cung. It's very nice.
And that's a,
Tom yum.
Tom yum.
Tom yum.
oh, it's a flavor, like a tom yum soup flavor for the peanuts.
Yeah, we've had
yeah.
the soup. We've had,
Yeah, very nice.
we've had the soup, Tom yum.
Yeah. Oh,
And what is the flavor?
The flavor, main flavor like herb, like Thai herb. Yes, with
Like
lemon grass, galangal, ginger, and kaffir lamb.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
perfect.
Enjoy crab. Thank you.
Thank you. Grazie. Well, it's time to go for a walk on another beach. Jenny is again in her beautiful silk dress. Well, Johnny, different sand, eh?
Yeah, I think,
Very coarse.
like, look at the sun. Very
Very.
interesting. Wow.
Yeah, it's very coarse.
Like it's
Yeah,
it's like a sugar sand.
it's like a shell or something. Shells. Broken down shell.
Yeah, that's
Wow, look at this
amazing.
beach.
That's an amazing.
This beach goes on forever.
See, you can walk all the way that way, and then that way would be the fisherman's village.
Yes.
And there's even, like if you walk up a little bit, you can even, there's a pathway that goes all the way along here.
Back to
Oh, it's right here.
That's it?
Well, I know that there's a sign before you come in. But anyway, there's a pathway there that you can walk along all the way.
Right.
I think this would be definitely something you'd like because it's got Japanese, South American fusion, Argentinian.
Well, I can do this.
You can do it better.
I can do it better.
Yes, I know.
And for a lot of people.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think those patties are pretty big. Wow.
Yeah, very
And I think
interesting.
those are lotus flowers in the middle there. So pretty nice, eh?
Wow. Beautiful.